Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change your messenger chat box wallpaper or like the theme you want to change it. I want to show you how you can do it. Open up your messenger app and then go to the chat. There you want to change the theme, like you can see over here the background theme is like black, like it's a normal theme, so I want to change it like another theme. So whenever you click on the name on the top, you will come in this page and you will see over here customization on the top. You can simply do is click on the theme, and whenever you click on the theme, you will see over here bunch of themes over here. You can simply choose any of these. These are all free to use. So as you can see, there are multiple themes. You can simply choose what you want to choose. So as you can see over here, bunch of themes over here. You can simply do is click on the theme and then it's gonna be added to your background. So let me show you how you can do it. Simply click on the theme and then you can see over here this, and you have to simply do is click on the select button and then you will see over here the theme is now changed. So as you can see, your theme is changed, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.